everyone. Today we would like to introduce you to In Goa Media and Film Academy.
We all know in today's time, people aren't able to pursue their dreams in the field of media in Goa. So they go out to Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore to fulfill that.
Looking at the population's increasing interest towards film and media industry, In Goa looks forward to provide detailed information and infrastructural details for those curious learners who don't find a platform to build their fields in media-related platforms.
Goa Media Film and Television Academy. Admissions open for certificate and diploma courses. Learn filmmaking, screenplay, directing, producing, cinematography, editing, and post-production under guidance of renowned filmmakers.
In Goa's intensive filmmaking diploma and certificate courses promise to be the first of its kind to offer one guaranteed broadcast and censor certified film. Over here, you will learn the key filmmaking disciplines that are story, screenwriting, directing, producing, editing, camera, sound, and cinematography. Similar to a story writing is screenwriting. Do you know what a screenwriting is?
Yeah, the script of a film including acting instructions and scene directions.
Yes, that is. And also screenwriting mainly includes understanding what a script is. All of the elements that are audio, visual, behavior and dialogue are required to tell a story through movies or TV. Second, read the scripts of some of your favorite movies. Find movie scripts online and decide what you like about them. Get a feel of how the action is portrayed. Dialogue is written and characters are developed. Flesh out your concept. Assuming you have already an idea of what you want to write about, sketch out all the necessary plot details, relationships, personality traits, and that will guide your story. Outline your story. Begin with a basic flow of the narrative. Focus on the conflict of drama because conflict drives drama. Write your story in 3 acts. The pillars of a screenplay are the 3 acts. Each act can operate independently and when taken together provide the full arc of a story. And sequences. Sequences are parts of a story that operate somewhat independently from the main conflict. They have a beginning, middle and end. A typical sequence will be about 10 to 15 pages in length. A sequence tends to focus on a specific character. Start writing scenes. Scenes are the events of your movie that take place in specific locations and always serve to drive a story forward. If a scene does not do this, then it should be cut out from the script.
Begin writing dialogues. Once you have scenes, you will have characters interacting. Dialogues can be one of the hardest things to write. Each character needs to have its own distinct, believable voice. 9th, cut away the dead weight. Now that all your ideas are on paper, look for the weak links, distractions or anything that drags. 10th, revise your work as many times as necessary. This may be painful at first, but when all is said and done, you will be glad that you took the time to properly convey your vision. Now we would like to take a short break and we will be back to you with more information about In Goa Academy.
Producing also includes pre-production, scripting and storyboard. The pre-production phase of a project is where all the planning takes place before the camera rolls. Production begins once the footage is recorded. The process will capture all the scenes and information captured in the pre-production process. Post-production process begins after all the footage has been captured. This is actually one of my favorite parts of the video making process. And after production comes editing, that is the process of selecting and preparing written, visual, audible and film media used to convey information.
The editing process can involve correction, condensation, organization and many other modifications performed with an intention of producing a correct, consistent, accurate and complete work.
No!
Welcome back everyone. Now we know that camera is an optical instrument for capturing still images of a recording moving images which are stored in a physical medium such as in a digital system or a photographic film. But how many actually know how to use it?
Yes, Angelic, you're right. Camera is very easy like when it sounds and all. But one needs to keep a lot in mind, like check the exposure of your shot with the light meter visible through your viewfinder, pick an aperture, adjust the shutter speed, pick an ISO setting. If the light meter ticker is lined up with 0, you have a properly exposed picture, and that's when one takes a shot.
Here in InGoa, you also learn about sound and light adjustment like right placement of both, lighting the scene and the mic positions, also the staging during the scene and how to change it according to what looks presentable.
Don't forget about cinematography, where camera shots, angles and movements, lighting and mise-en-scene take place. Special effects and sound, a final word of film techniques, costumes, props and editing are all finalized over here.
The cinematographer or director of photography is a person in charge of actually shooting the film. He is the head of the camera and lighting departments, and as such he has a big role in the making of any movie.
Cinematography consists of some basic elements such as the human eye, the principles of camera, eye and focus, exposures, shot sizes, camera angles, camera moves, compositions, types of lenses, depth of field, white balance are all that is seen under cinematography.
InGoa will provide support through workshops and free membership to InGoa Filmmakers Club, where you will also gain access to a wide range of industry jobs, networking opportunities and work experience placements. To all the learners, they provide a lot of access into their industry by letting you all get hands-on experience.
InGoa has also given a chance to special children of Sanjay School who in a short period of time created a short film. The film's cinematography was handled by InGoa itself.
And guess what? They won second place in the Goa State Science Film Festival.
I would like to inform you that in Goa Academy, you will learn the latest video editing softwares of industry standards and film shoots including commercials, narratives, short films. This ensures that you will leave in Goa Media Film Television Academy with an impressive showreel of work and placement assistance as well. We hope you liked our video and we would be looking forward to your feedback.